everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Kate from Bitch and Stitches asked me to do an update. As you know, Puerto Rico was hit hard by Hurricane Fiona, and then it went up the eastern side of Canada, and it hit eastern Canada very hard, and I'm so sorry for the devastation and everyone who's affected by it. I'm so sorry. You're all in my prayers. Kate lives on eastern Canada, and they were hit head on by the hurricane. She has some severe damage to her house. There's some trees that fell in her yard, and thank God they did not hit the house. So there's a lot of cleanup and devastation going on there. So she just wanted me to let you all know what's going on, and her electricity is out, I think, till Thursday. Today's Monday. She was able to get a message to me though, and yeah, they're okay physically. It's just gonna be, you know, it's so tough on them mentally right now, and on everybody that's gone through this horrible hurricane. So her channel, she was going to put up a tutorial. Of course, she was, you know, preparing herself and her family and her home and everything before the hurricane hit, and now they have a big cleanup and no electricity, so they're going to, I mean, she won't be able to do a video, and I'm sure every one of you understand. So yeah, she just asked me to let you all know what's going on with her. And there's a couple of other YouTubers who live out there. There's a couple of channels, our OGs. Oh, I'm sorry. I forget what it's called, but it's something Island Life. I will find the link and put it below, and then there's the Crochet Crowd. I'll put that below. So what I'm asking you guys to do is pray for everyone who's involved. You know, you could play their videos and you know, help with the watch hours to get, you know, a little more money coming their way. They're going to need all the help they can get. The Canadian government is matching dollar for dollar for the next 30 days, all donations to the Canadian Red Cross for this area of Canada, and if you can donate, that would be awesome. And like I said, play her videos, her playlists, and, you know, that would help get a little bit of money her way, right? So I just thank you all so much for everything. You guys are so incredibly special, and I'll see you guys as soon as I can. All right, thanks. Bye.